Hello and welcome to Little Learners Education. This week we're focusing on the letter sound H. The letter H makes the sound H. So let's find out what's in Marvin's boxes that begin with the letter sound H.
Soundbox Marvin is here to play. Can you guess the words he says? What's inside his box? Can you guess the word?
Hen. Hen. Hen.
Soundbox Marvin is here to play. Can you guess the words he says? What's inside his box? Can you guess the word? Soundbox Marvin is here to play. Can you guess the words he says? What's inside his box? Can you guess the word?
Hut. 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 We hope you enjoyed playing What's in the Box that begins with Goodbye from Little Learners Education.